Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 24 March 2022, and today's bio topic name is link hash map. So, firstly, we discuss about what is link. The link hash map is used in a Java programming. The link hash map class is just like a hash map with an additional features of maintaining an order of elements inserting into in our programming. The hash map provided the advantages of quick insertion, search and deletion, but it never mentioned the track and order of insertion, which the linked hash map provides where the elements can be accessed in their insertion order in our programming. The important part of a linked hash map. The important features are included in a link hash map are listed as a link hash map contains values based on the key in our programming. It implements the map interface and extends this hash map class in programming. It contains only unique elements in programming. It may have one null key and multiple null values are used in our programming. It is non-synchronized. It is the same as hash map with an additional features are included in insertion order. For example, when we run the code with a hash map, we get a different order of elements in our programming. Then declaration of a hash map. The hash map are used in a public class. The linked hash map are used in a public class. It is included in key and values. It implements the map. Key is the object type and v is the value object type of a in our programming. The key is the type of the keys in the map, and the v means the type of values mapped in our programming. It implements map, key and values interface and extend hash map then bracket key and value classes through the hierarchy of linked hash map is a dispatched in below media as follows. The linked hash map are workly internally. Internally. A linked hash map is an extension of an hash map class and it implements the map interface. Therefore, the class is declared in various types of in our programming. Then public class linked hash map extends hash map, implements map in this class. The data is stored in the form of nodes in our programming. The implementation of linked hash map is very similar to doubly linked list. The Java is a linked hash map class is hash table and hash linked list implementation of map interface with predictable interaction order. It inherits hash map class and implements the map interface in programming. Some points are remembered in link hash map. In Java programming language, the Java link hash map contains values based on the key. In Java, the link hash map are used in a may have one null key and multiple null values in our programming. The link hash map is non-synchronized in Java programming. The link hash map maintains insertion order in our programming. The initial default capacity of Java hash map class is 16 with a load of a in our programming method. Then method description. The method description object key, it returns the value to which the specified key in mapped. Void clear method, it removes all the key value pairs from a map. Then boolean contains value method, it returns true if the map are used in a specified value. Then set the set is a view of the mapping connected in the map. That's all about today's topic, link hash map. I hope you understand. Thank you.